Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. And in this video I'm going to show you exactly digital products to sell online that is going to make you money in this time. Okay, so there are a lot of several types of digital product that you can sell online to earn money online. Now I'm going to show you some of the platform where you can sell all these digital products to make more sales, to maximize your profit. Okay, and I'm also going to show you how to set up some of these kind of digital products so that you can know exactly what to do. So without wasting your time, my name is Kingsley from Obinnar.com. In this channel I teach you guys things. I show you tips and tricks on how to make money online, e-commerce, blogging, and a whole lot of things that's going to help you succeed online. So make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So like I said, we are going to be looking at digital products to sell online so that we can be able to earn money from our digital products, because we have created this product, we need to sell it, isn't it? So I'll show you digital products you can sell. Now the first one is ebook. Now this should be the first digital products you should sell. Now why do I say so? I said so because ebook will give you a better understanding on how you can be able to sell digital products. Now you don't want to take all your energy creating something that wouldn't make you profit at the end of the day. So that's why I said you should create an ebook first. Even if you have bigger plans, you need to create an ebook first. See how you sell that ebook. Okay, so if you don't know how to create an ebook, you can simply set up an ebook using Google Docs. So just go to docs.google.com and I will show you exactly a few things you need to do to set up your ebook super fast. Okay, go to this docs.google.com. It's a free software by Google. Just have a Google account, sign in, and go to docs.google.com. Now you can create a new blank canvas. As you can see, I can click on this blank new canvas, and everything here will be clean. So we need to write our book right here. Okay, so you can write whatever thing you want to write here, all the text, just write it. Now once you've done written it, let me go back. Once you've written your ebook and everything is ready, okay, so now you need to download this project as a PDF. Okay, so you need to download it as a PDF so that you can be able to share it to people that you want it. So okay, so all you just need to do is to download the product as a PDF. Okay, now so after you've downloaded the product as a PDF, the next thing you need to do is go to a website called Canva. Okay, so this Canva is where we're going to create an ebook cover. Now this ebook cover is a kind of a page cover, like that is going to help you tell that is the first impression. People that sees your ebook, they want to see the cover of the ebook, that's to know what is obtainable inside. Okay, so you want to spend time create a good ebook cover, and while creating your ebook as well, make sure that your ebook is also high quality, is also good. Okay, so you want to come here and type ebook. You're going to see ebook covers. You're going to see a lot of ebook covers. Okay, so all you just need to do is pick a template and design it to what you want. As you can see, these are ebook cover templates, and there are so many of them. All you just need to do is to pick one and customize it to what you want. So now that you have your ebook set up, you have your PDF file, and you have your ebook cover up and running. Now how can you sell it? You can sell it on your own platform. So let's say you have a blog, you can sell it on your blog. Now let's say if you don't let's say you don't have a blog, where can you sell it? You can sell it using Payhip. Okay, so all you just need to do is to go to payhip.com. Go to payhip.com, create an account, and you can upload your ebooks there, and get the link so that your customers can buy those ebook. Now what if you don't have anybody to sell this ebook to? It's your first time. Then the next thing you need to do is to go and sign up with an email marketing tool account. Now why would you sign up with an email marketing tool account? You want to be able to collect leads. Now leads are simply emails, so you want to give out your ebook in exchange of an email. okay, in exchange of your customer's email. Now sometimes you might be giving out this book for free as an incentive to collect their emails. Now what that is going to help you do is that it's going to help you collect a whole lot of emails. Now you have emails, so whenever you make your next product, you can be able to market your next product to those people because you know that they are actually interested in what you have to say. So those are the things. Now email marketing software I would recommend you start with is SendFox. Okay, so just go to Google and search for SendFox. I don't want to open it, but okay, let me open it in a new tab for you so that you see exactly what SendFox looks like. Okay, it's loading up. So go to Google and type in sendfox.com. So you need to create an account here with SendFox so that you can be able to collect emails from your customers. You can see this is a free software, and they have a paid plan as well, but the free one can do the job for you. It can help you on your social media, collect leads, and the rest of them. So if you want me to do a separate video about SendFox, tell me in the comment section and I'll make a dedicated video about this platform for you. Now that is that about ebooks. Okay, so the next digital product you can sell online is video courses. Now this should be done after I'm following the sequence. After I've sold your ebook, the next one you should plan to sell is your video courses. Now this should go more in depth. Okay, so video are going to video is going to allow your viewer or your customers be able to know exactly what you're talking about. Okay, so video courses are a great digital products to sell online. Okay, now you can create your own your own online course website using a lot of tools. So you can do that using, if you watch this video, how to create an online course on WordPress, I showed you exactly how to do that in this video, so you can watch this video to learn more about that. Now let's say you don't want to sell this online course on your website. Where else can you sell it? Well, you can also sell it at Udemy. Okay, let's go to Udemy right now. Udemy.com. So Udemy, this is a platform where a lot of people are willing to buy courses on this platform. Okay, so you can come to this platform to sell your online course. All you need to do is to create an account and register as an instructor so that you can be able to start selling online. So I have an account here with Udemy. In fact, I'm also an instructor. I've also sold the course here on Udemy, but that was back then. But everything still works perfectly fine. As you can see on the platform here, these are video courses, and these people are selling their courses on the platform. So you're just going to pay a little. Your courses are just going to go for a little money sometimes, but it's totally worth it, especially if you don't have audience that are willing to buy your course. Udemy can give you those audience that are going to buy your course as far as your course is solving a problem. So video courses are good digital products to sell online. Now the last one I have on the list here is templates. Okay, so templates is basically kind of a walkthrough. Let's say for example I set up website, I can create a website template, and said okay, you can use my template to set up your website easily. So that kind of stuff is called template, and you can sell it online. You can sell it to your audience, you can sell it on STC, you can sell it on a whole lot of platforms. So in this video I showed you exactly where you can sell your digital products, so you can check out this video as well if you want to know some of the places you can sell your digital product. You can watch this video to learn more of those things. Okay, so templates, let's say you have what is it called, a food blog. Yes, you run a food blog. You can sell your worksheets, your templates, like your the way you cook, what is it called, the instructions and all those things. Those are templates. Okay, you can sell all those things using template version means. Okay, so these are the 3 digital products you can sell online for now. Okay, there are so many of the ones digital products you can sell online, but genuinely pick out these 3 because I feel like these 3, once you master these 3 and you start selling very well with these 3 other ones, you can easily do those things. So I believe you enjoyed this video. If there's any part of this video you don't understand or you want me to throw more light on or talk more about them, tell me in the comment section and I'll do those videos for you. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure to like it, Okay, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. I'll keep on dropping videos on this channel so that to help you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.